Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mario and this is my first video. I was thinking about how to help people to learn Spanish and I said, well, let's make some videos. I know that YouTube is repleting about a lot, tons of videos about how to learn languages. So what I'm gonna try to do with my videos is help you guys to learn Spanish in a natural way. So I just wanna be clear in something. I'm not a teacher. I'm only a native who wants to help people to learn this amazing language, which is Spanish. The main idea it was only to do shorts on YouTube, but to be honest, it's not the best way to learn any language. I mean, if you want to learn any language, it doesn't matter if you want to learn English, Spanish, French, Japanese, Chinese, or whatever. Basically, you need to speak with natives and also you need to see and hear how they pronunciate every single word in their language. I mean, I know that sometimes you can pay for it and maybe you can learn it on Duolingo or another apps or wherever. As you can see, my English is not good at all. I'm still learning and I'm still practicing. So while I'm still practicing and improving my English, I'm gonna try to help you guys and to learn Spanish in the process. So basically, if you have any doubt about how to pronunciate some words or how to form sentences, just leave me a comment below and I will help you accept. For now, I really don't know how to start with this. I mean, I have some ideas on mine, but I don't know how to make it on video. I'm gonna try not to figure it out. Anyway, let's start for the basics and little by little we can improve. And I just want to let you know as well, almost forgot it. I will be speaking in English, but from time to time I'm gonna switch to speak in Spanish, and it's just because I want to you guys practice your listening basically, and it's supposed you are here to learn Spanish, but if I didn't speak it, you're never gonna practice it, and that's it. I mean, just to let you know. Um, and that way maybe you can practice as well your pronunciation. But okay, I think that's all for now. I just wanted to introduce myself with you guys and letting you know that I'm here to help you out with your Spanish lessons. I just want to say thank you for watching the video and please subscribe, give it a like, and share with your friends, family, or people you think that maybe they want to learn Spanish. And that's all. See you next video.